How to fix network icon missing from taskbar. In this tutorial I will show you 3 methods to solve the problem. First, open Task Manager. Restart the Windows Explorer. If that didn't work, open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapter. Disable and enable your network adapter. Now click on Scan for hardware changes. Now your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
right-click Desktop and click on Personalize. Open Taskbar. Enable and disable network icon. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.